Hello, my correct people. Them how una day? Happy Sunday. Waiting the shell for una area. All right, so my correct people. Them for my area here, just be like say, war won't start. Today Sunday. NEPA they know they bring lights, so generator everywhere. So me, I don't go wear my army t-shirt so that anything where won't happen may happen. I don't ready, so I just carry myself go hide for one corner. So I tell you, I say na white background now they like to use, but anyhow, since that the level be this now, anyhow we just the girl and they go. So Jesus, which kind human being will be? If I show you now the kind of construction what I do under here, the corner I go fix myself for my house. Now rubber, see now rubber, now sit down on top. No time to check time. Just make my people hear me. Make when I hear me all this yeah noise, no be am abeg. Who packaging help? Abeg. Alright, so my great people, them the first story where I get for una today. In fact, I get to read about motivational speakers where every day then they advise about marriages. Some don't enter, some just they enter. The people say when we expect them to they give us advice about marriages, like people for industry who knows at all bad pass. They don't chop many Christmas inside marriage. They know they give us the advice you. Now the ones where they just they enter, some where they don't enter come out. Some when we say they never enter at all, and it be like say night don't they come. Now then they give us advice. Hey, I mean, not even carry this my ear give for charity. Say I don't tire for advice, but how I go do now? My correct people them make I share some of the advice. They say listen to advice, no reject advice. Any advice will come, listen to them. You get some way we say you go take out of all this advice where they don't give us, Tokemakawa don't give us, Nkechi Blessing don't give us, Harrison don't give us, we go listen to them. Insight we go filter. You get some way we no go take, we go filter them through way. So the first person advice way I want read for una today now Harry advice. So you say most stay off social media if they find wife. Alright, my read them according to the horse's mouth. So he said, stay off social media when you want to get a true partner. 90% of the men and women on social media are influenced wrongly. Wow. Then when you want to go get the one we know the social media now. This advice, shallow, are not themselves. There are still good husbands and great wives out there. Love secrets. Oh, love sweets. Harry. We also now say just marry, you never stay away doing wedding. So you see they enjoy honeymoon, you see they enjoy the blues of marriage, they love still the shakam, and by the grace of Baba God there, you will continue to the shakam forever. But that prayer, they work like that. Marriage get challenges. So if you go up, you jolly they go down, you just follow like that they go now. So the level B, Madam Nkechi Blessing, Nollywood actress Nkechi Blessing, don't follow Shukma put like, oh my god, we think they even motivate all this our actress sing and our actors sing them. Everybody just the Shukma put left, right, center. Abi get something where they share for their side where they always give them inspiration to one coach people about marriage. So my correct people them I don't know, but make I read. Nollywood actress Nkechi Blessing contributed. She said, marriage will go scatter, go still scatter. If you like, hide them like palliative. There is no manual in keeping a man who doesn't want to be kept. Find yours and pray it works. Make all of una get that. With a stupid advice. Are you even happy in your own relationship, Indiara? Okay, she myself, she did talk her own. She did follow the provocation for all these people where they give marriage advice. So she did follow the provocation for them. Alright, so my correct people them, I agree with Nkechi Blessing. e get one point wey I agree with her there, the one wey say that you can't keep a man who doesn't want to be kept. I agree with that one, but I believe say your character too when you dey relationship go follow talk whether you dey in or out of the relationship, because you get how some people they go just they do accept me the way I am, accept me the way I am, you know, they go just they do some kind of character. Alright, the second person here will be talking about in one way she and relationship advice. They be like 5 and 6. She don't follow Shukmaku for the mattress. She talks say if you like, read all the books, cook all the meals, have the most expensive style. What will work will work. What will scatter will scatter. It's life, it's lessons, it's seasons. Thank you all for coming to my TED Talk. Maybe small, you know. People them one Nollywood actress they can carry her own story come. I no one read them, but I'll just put them for screen. Anybody will want read them, if you just read them, but the Sunday rice so I chop, you don't they digest, they go, you be like say hungry, don't they give me signal, so I guess hasten up, make I come out for here. Alright, so my correct people them, the Nollywood actress talk say she get a male friend, we say him, you know, they enter in wife now for a year. Now call as a male friend, whether they buy the wife small toy, she go take the jollificate herself. Then the man say for waiting that if the woman they use those toy, even catch her, and go no say she feel go meet another man for her side. So for that thing go just throw away the woman for in house. Now she say that thing shock her, no be small low, the thing shock her. Now come they talk for my mind though. I say now wow, now what for what yet? Waiting that married man they gist you, if it be pure lie, if you just be saying you just stand up from your wife, nah. Wait till they find out your puna. Man feel denying mama, denying papa, denying children, denying wife just to get who call and waiting piece of flesh. So you no constant here, they do motivational speaking. The reason no go buy them. I no feel buy them. So I don't know, but last so na Baba God there know, maybe I don't know why man go there go 1 year, no go one enter in wife put. Now if they enter in wife put, now you say get the one way they enter now. Yes, now something must buy a man. Your wife will not feel buy you. Another woman will buy you. Alright, so my correct people them. My next story now about Davido. Yes, Davido don't hear him. He never finished for Choma mattress. He never finished it all in 4 baby mamas. Even though the number, the number 4, I mean the 4th. We never really put a boss stamp. We never knock our stamp. You know, for that one, we don't know. But many things, they join themselves together where they make us they look like say if you be say that Tory not true, if you be like say that Tory whole side to all those kind of level. But my correct people them all this one where people they come they attacky the video say people they pie around them with the shell, you know, say the last time where in bodyguard pie they come they talk say the video wait till they happen because one of his friends to be done pie before, and now the video can't share for a page. They try to sympathize with the person where pie, whether the person is friend I been doing friend no I don't know. Now one fans you come at you come they talk say the video this one's where people they pie around you like this. Feel like say very soon it go reach fans you. I say but now some fans they no get chill. They no get chill at all. When it comes to hiding behind their key parts, anything they feel just type put. Alright, so the video say R.I.P. Richard Okoroheya. So sad, my deepest condolence to his family. Now one of him fan, I be a follower, I don't know the category where I go put him. Can't talk say guy, now everybody they buy for your side. I hope say you no go reach fans so some people no get chilly no be smart, you know. The video himself say he joke Now when they follow the shout to joke now, when they fear to buy, it joke. Anywhere you go, it joke. Any slang will come out, people go carry am. Even the one with negative meaning, people go carry am for their head like gala they waka. So me I say no go choke me. Certainly person so shirt with the hand where he choke. When in village people enter that hand, the thing begin they choke am, and then I go clear. Alright, so my correct people there, when I know say my village people make me and start this video and not on my ring light. Shama, Jah, Jehovah, Emmanuel, what is happening? Hey, me will go on general. Hey, it don't happen, no, and I'm not gonna start from the beginning. Even Baba God then know. I'm not gonna start. I didn't say video dark. Wait till they happen to shell out to the pa. Maybe when I finish, when I don't edit, I go to say they clear. Now just discover say I no on ring light. Hey. Oh, continue. Which kind of level can be this one now? So people they throw Israel, DMW, Davido assistants, they work with Davido. I don't know the particular work where they do. They troll am for a house when he been they do apology to DJ Copy as in go choke mouth for matter wey no concern now. They been the troll am. Davido PA say house where they live, go this or that one. Now again they say no game motor. Now wow, to be celebrity or to be friend to celebrity no easy. You dey owe plenty people credit to. Me here why they use my Legacy Benz every day they waka. Who don't come ask me question? So now the price be that. Alright, so now the guy say I will never steal to impress anyone. I will get myself a car when the money comes. Maybe they use money do another thing. Many people get this way they sweet their belly for this life. So you know good, to everybody gets their own priority. So no because of say your priority today not to buy motor. Another person priority today not to build house for in Papa house. Maybe in Papa I don't know. Maybe in Papa be no get house. They say Gumo they go December like that, go they stay for this kind of house for my level. No man build house. It be like that, yes. Person like Nollywood actress and the GP not come and talk something like that. She say she wanted to buy a car. Now she gonna reason am. Although she been get car, she won't buy a car. Now she gonna reason am say my papa no get house. We no get house. Anytime we want go village, our hearts go dey cut, our liver go dey fail. Ma just use this money build house. Now she come go build house for her parents. They were so happy. So everybody gets waiting he won't do it in pala. When it reach time to work, nobody they put hand for anybody, nobody they show person how to do the work. But when it reach time for people to talk, shook their mouth for it no concern them, they will eventually shook them. Alright, make great people as it be so. I know want me this video one day longer than necessary. Make una just take care. Make una stay beautiful. Make una buy.